The Lean Startup by Eric Rice. This book offers a set of tools and procedures for entrepreneurs, both in startups and established corporations, to better achieve success. Since the vast majority of startup fails, understanding how to build a better company save society's most precious commodities, ideas, time, and the skills of its people. The Lean Startup movement set out to prevent future failure. The concept of the lean startup is drawn from the Japanese concept of the lean manufacturing that was pioneered and perfected by Toyota. While not all startups operate in the world of manufacturing, many of the key principles can be applied to entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a simple type of management opposite to popular beliefs. Startups need a management just as much as traditional companies. They often are built to disrupt. The effective entrepreneur's lean startups manager becomes successful by cultivating workplace climate in which employees can learn, explore, and experiment. The lean startup movement transcends the startup world, and traditional corporation can and have employed if it intends to innovate and remain relevant. The business world has been so disrupted at this point that no company is safe from needing to remain ready to change and grow at any time. Main points of this book: startup needs a specially designed set form of management to cater to their very specific needs as emerging companies. Validated learning is a process by which employees can measure their output and success through experiential lessons. The more validated learning achieved, the more successful a startup can become. The build, measure, learn feedback loop is a steering mechanism by which a startup can drive toward its end goal. Innovation accounting informs the build, measure, learn feedback loop that gives a startup the information needed to decide when to persevere and when to pivot without being reactionary. The ability to know when to continue on a path or to change direction is vital to the future of a startup. Lean startup entrepreneurs cannot rely on the impressions or beliefs. They must get out there and see what's happening for themselves. Lean startup employs a small batch approach before starting on a lengthy journey toward product development. The company leaders first test out a smaller repetition to be sure that what they are creating is valuable. Growth is sustainable when new customers are required from actions of previous customers. Speed is a life or death, essential for a startup, but quality should not be sacrificed in a bid to accelerate. Entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs tasked with creating a new products or ventures within an existing corporation should also use the lean startup method.